Let's go have a look. For sale. Where's the engine compartment? Probably the other side. Oh yeah, the tires are.
No. Okay. I'll just hold those ramps right top.
Well, those ramps are rated for $7,000 each. They're.
If it's up to you, if you want to drive around.
Unless this guy wants to build it for me.
No. Oh, he wants to put that on his trailer. How you doing?
Not too bad.
You're talking to me.
Right on.
Yep.
He loves Pats.
Lever on the side here. You pull up, and then you pull it out.
Just like that.
Okay, ready? Just give her a pull. There you go. Little Ford 4-cylinder. I'll grab the box.
Looks like a 3-cylinder.
Is it a 3-cylinder? Oh, it is a 3-cylinder.
Of all the things they could have put in there, it's a Ford.
Up on that. Okay. Choke. Start.
Does it say how many hours are on it?
An hour meter on it. Like I said, we just bought a brand, like not a new, but a newer, but the other one goes higher. So we don't need two. It was rented last week, so. Right?
Oh, my new one. Just a little bit. There you go. Ooh, she's a little bouncy. That's probably good. Is that?
Oh, it is you.
What happened?
Are you that guy that makes those videos and those ramps?
Sometimes.
Oh shit, it's been years, eh, since you did that jump?
Which jump?
I don't know. So you got some guy to jump and then he kind of fucked up.
Oh, there's been a bunch. I did some car jumps recently.
I didn't even realize it was you. Like he said, you're YouTubing, and I looked. I'm like, oh, it is you. Holy shit. Do you mind if I get a photo?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
Right on, man.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, have a good day.
Yeah, yeah. See you around.
Yeah, smoke some cigarettes.
Okay, yeah, I don't smoke.
All right, well, we're back. Man, that's big, hey? Holy suffering. Hopefully it works now that I got it home. Cheapest friggin' man lift on the internet, boys. What should we complain about first? snakes. Look at the rust on this thing already. How you doing? But yeah, this thing's got like a buzzing thing. Hopefully it'll go down. Great. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him. He loves pets on him's belly terrible. Come on, I'll let you go. I was just petting your belly terrible. Oh, he's pissing. I'm gonna put you over here in the safety zone here, bud. Look at the size of him. He loves pets big time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a spot. Oh, so yeah. So the buddy said that this sensor here, and I did, tap on it, and then it went away and this and that. But I mean, the bubble's in the middle. I don't know. But somebody's been soldering in here. Eh? Somebody's been in here soldering. And then there was that little gizmo there I noticed. But I mean, holy shit, look at all the thingamajiggers in here. How come I'm even looking at it? Another little treat down there. Another couple of treats right there. I don't know, maybe I got ripped. Fired right up and friggin' worked lickety charms for buddies, so I don't know. Maybe he was up and down and with some other controls. What happened, chickens? What happened? Some for everybody. Relax. Relax. I was gonna just throw him at Shug because he's stupid. He's too stupid. Gotta like distract him with other ones, but and then Shug just still too dumb. Throw a bunch over here, and then throw some to Shug. Shug, oh, you just decked. He's just decked. You can tell he wants it, but he's too stupid. I don't think he can see. Well, you just eat some dirt. You just eat some dirt there, Shug. You want to get some pats? You want to get some pats? Such a pretty bird. Such a pretty bird. What happened? You don't poop on me. You don't do that. He's the only one that lets you pick him up. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, quit me. I was going to take the Yeti tree out today, but she's calling for the rains. And that would be so terrible if my old crusty, dirty, rustiest frig, totally garbage truck was driven into the moist air. I don't know if I could handle the ramifications of onto it, but three things third. And three things third here, boys. Look at this. Uncle Don's table saw. Oh, no good. Have to get some double a D out here, I think. What? Don't come in here, buddy. We should take you elsewhere, maybe. We should take you elsewhere. The backyard isn't for you anymore, buddy. The chickens will get you. Oh, you're just pissing. You're just friggin' pissing. Oh, goodness. Look at the piss coming out of you. I gotta move you over here, buddy, because the chickens will get you. Oh, the piss. Holy suffering. There you go. They're a little bit taller, but might have to cut the fenders off and redo fenders, but these are different rims altogether. I don't know how different, but whatever. New tires. New tires, your trailer. That's what I needed for cheap. This tire's expensive. But yeah, a new one. Figure I can use it to you know, work on the dormitory. Got to do lights and end walls and all kinds of crap in there, and of course lights in the shop too. I gotta do that. That'll be mucho more better having this unit here. But SJ 7027 4x4 600 series. Frig yeah. Well, it happened again. It's just I gotta move that crap. I gotta move the bus. I gotta move some stuff. I gotta start sorting this crap out, eh? And it's oh mother lord. Got new tires for the trailer. Just give them a little freaking creep. But yeah, gotta get another car. So it's totally awesome because I love that kind. But that's Suge Knight.